Alright guys, so I just got back from Huawei's flagship product launch in Dubai, and my goodness, they actually launched a ton of new products. So not only did we see the brand new Mate X6, there was also the Nova 13 series, a couple of earbuds, and even a tablet thrown into the mix. Now before all that, I just want to say that my experience in Dubai has been nothing short of spectacular. It's my first time in Dubai and wow, really amazing place. Anyways, let's jump into the device real quick and we can start off with the first one, that is the Mate X6. Now being the star of the show, the theme here is actually to unfold the classic, and as someone who has used the phone for slightly more than a week now, I can tell you that this is one of the most mature foldables coming out of Huawei. So as with most foldables, every manufacturer is focused on making it slimmer, making it lighter, but Huawei has actually added another step here and gone further to make it even more durable. So it's being made using a lot of premium materials, very durable and tough materials as well. So that will actually make the device more drop resistant, more scratch resistant and all that. In fact, it even has a Kunlun 2.0 on the display at the front here. That means that the whole device is just protected all around. Now besides that, it also comes with brand new software on board. So we have the EMUI 15. And my favorite feature here is actually the live multitasking, where you can actually have 3 individual windows side by side open at the same time, and it actually reminds me of the experience of using it on a tablet. So Huawei is making a lot of good use with this large screen display. Now this is all wrapped up into a very nice and compact package over here. So yeah, that's pretty much what you can expect from the Mate X6. Now moving on to the second smartphone of the day, and that's actually the Huawei Nova 13 series. Now the Nova 13 series comes in 2 flavors, I would say. We have the Pro as well as a non-Pro. Now they're pretty much the same, I would say, in terms of the looks, because the design is very similar. They both come in 3 different colorways as well, and I would say that the main difference is that the Pro is a bit curvier, whereas the non-Pro is a bit boxier. So let's first take a look at the Pro. Now for the Pro itself, it's got a couple of cool features. First up, we do have a 50 megapixel adjustable aperture camera that I think is the first on a Nova series. We also have a 60 megapixel ultra-wide autofocus front camera. Now Huawei also took it one step further and actually added on optical zoom. So we also have an 8 megapixel portrait lens that does 2 times optical zoom and 5 times digital zoom on the front. It's really insane, guys, because I actually tried it out and you can actually zoom in a lot into your face. I'm not sure why you might want to do that, but maybe when you're taking selfies, you want to zoom into the person at the back, so you can actually do that on the Nova 13 Pro. Now other notable features includes that beautiful quad curved display at the front. Is a 6.76-inch unit, refreshes on 120Hz OLED display no less, and it also comes with 5000 mAh battery and charges up at 100 watts. So very quick charging there. Now moving on to the non-Pro. So like I said earlier on, it does come with a boxier look. I actually kind of prefer this actually. And in terms of the cameras, you still get the 60 megapixel ultra-wide autofocus front camera. The Nova 13 series is really focused on getting those beautiful selfies. Further on, you also get a 50 plus 8 megapixel rear camera. You get the flat display at the front. It's a 6.7-inch 120Hz OLED display. And you also get that 5000 mAh battery paired with the 100-watt fast charge. So you can see very quickly here already, the whole idea about this Nova 13 series is all about that super selfie, super pattern. So it's really for the young people, being very trendy and getting a lot of those beautiful selfie shots in. Huawei even introduced something called AI expressions, where you can actually tweak the expressions of your friends when you're taking your selfies to make it a bit more fun, a bit more creative. So those are the brand new smartphones that were launched. Let's check out a couple of earbuds as well. Now we can start off first with the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4, and basically this is Huawei's first TWS earbuds under the Huawei Sound brand. There's even a very fancy logo that Huawei introduced. The whole thing just looks very premium and next level. What you can expect here is definitely the best audio quality because it comes with dual drivers. It also comes with 3 colors, very similar to the Huawei Nova 13 series. And moving on, you can expect it to come with lossless true sound, intelligent dynamic ANC. You can also use your head to actually control a couple of commands, and more importantly, the most impressive one is all about that noise cancellation. According to Huawei, it does like ultra clear calls, and you can reduce noise like 100 decibels of noise from your surroundings. So if you're having those calls constantly on your earbuds, people who are listening to you won't be able to hear what's happening around you. Pretty impressive, I would say. Moving on, we also have the HUAWEI FreeClip in rose gold. Now I actually tested out the HUAWEI FreeClip before. It's an open ear kind of design. It's very clever the way it actually hooks onto your ear, and it's actually quite stable. Like even if you run around, it will not actually drop off, and it actually provides for a very comfortable kind of experience if you're someone who do not like those in-ear earbuds. Anyways, the new rose gold color looks even more premium than before. I think both the guys and the ladies will love it. But anyway, these are all coming really soon, so you have an additional color to choose from when it goes to the free clips. Now last but not least, let's talk about the tablet. Now Huawei launched the HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and the theme here is that it's actually a handy device and all-rounder device that will help you out in both your work as well as your entertainment. Now naturally, the device itself comes with the keyboard as well as an M Pencil, so it really boosts your productivity and your creativity. And more importantly, it does come with a paper matte display that actually helps to protect your eyes. It's a bit smoother to use, anti-glare, and it also still comes with a 120Hz refresh rate. Furthermore, the device itself is very slim. It's only 6.85mm and the weight is capped at under 500 grams. So very impressive device, a lot of technology packed into something that's very slim. Now further on, it also comes with a 7700 mAh battery, so it should be able to last you, slightly more than a day, maybe 2 or 3, depending on what you use on it. Anyway, those are all the cool products that Huawei launched at their flagship product launch. Really exciting to see all this new tech, being made available to the people, and of course, very excited to test all of them out. I hope I'll be testing out the other devices as well. Do stay tuned to the channel, and of course, follow Huawei if you want to know more about their latest products and launches. With that said, thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Thank you again for this opportunity to travel to Dubai to check out that beautiful city as well, and see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.